Uy, bumubukas na naman yung portal. Saan naman kaya kami pupunta ni Mas? Guys! Uy, nandito kami sa Anilaw, Batangas ni Master. Solid yung vibe. Iba talaga yung ating ng senti ng sunset dito. Sobrang ganda, nakaka-relax. Tamang sunbathing, higa sa lumot. Hihihi! Wow, ang ganda ng view. Sarap maligo. Ay, naka. Pakinggan natin ang alon. Oh, riding on the drone. Nako, Master, baka mahulog ako dito.
Quivering, kissing the ring in slow motion. Digital lipstick, a shade corrosive. Oil lane, kicking the frog, never noticed. How many times did we question the motive? Until the roles reversed. Yeah, it became the gears we turned. Didn't miss the thing we learned. We got you
Bye.